Ram. He traveled to Australia. Do you know why? Because he improved his English so much that a multinational company gave him a job. Same way, Shanti. She improved her English so much that she got placed in one of the prestigious college in Canada. She got an offer to study there. Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. If you have ever dreamt of mastering English quickly, you are in the right place. Today I have come up with this wonderful video. आज के वीडियो में आप सीख पाओगे कि in 14 days, just in 2 weeks, how you can improve your English. आप कैसे अपना English को और बेहतर कर पाओगे. So please watch this video till the end, because in this video you will find some practical tips, some essential resources and surprising facts that will keep you motivated and you will be able to improve English in a faster pace. एक बात मैं आपको कहना चाहता हूँ. This 14 days challenge, it doesn't mean that आप 14 days में English में expert हो जाओगे. नहीं. It doesn't happen like that. In just 14 days, you cannot become fluent in English. You cannot become expert in English. But yes, this 14 days will give you the roadmap. You will be able to find yourself in a different position if you follow what I am saying today. Our first step is by creating a 14 days daily immersion ritual. मैं क्या कहना चाहता हूँ आपको? I mean to say that आप जो भी करोगे in this 14 days, do it from your heart. ऐसे नहीं कि it's forceful. नहीं. Then it will not work out for you. Remember, अब जो भी करोगे, it should be in your mind. It should be you should be focused, and you should think that whatever I'm doing, it is giving me enjoyment. Whatever you do, like अगर आपको लगे you want to listen to English songs, do that. It's my अगर आपको लगे एक कॉमेडी सीरीज में देख लेता हूँ in English, do that.
You have a beautiful voice, but you're not in these days. You used to be. Where are you from? Italy. From Italy. Oh, I love Italy.
Whatever your mind thinks, whatever your heart thinks, just go ahead and do that. What will happen is that you will be able to immerse yourself in English. You may love watching TED Talks. Go for that. But remember one thing. What is the key point? The key here is active listening and repetition. You have to listen very carefully. And whatever they are saying, you need to repeat. Mimicry, we say, right? Mimicking. What you will mimic? Their accent, their intonation, the way they speak. The magic will only happen when you are consistent. For the next 14 days, आपको ये सोचना है that you have no other option but to spend at least 15 minutes regularly. Remember one thing, if you skip one day also, in one day how much time you get? 15 minutes. You are not just wasting 15 minutes, remember. You are breaking a habit that compounds over time. So never think of breaking it. Be consistent for the next 14 days. This is one of the most important part. We do everything. We read books, we listen to different videos, audios, but the main thing what we forget is to help our tongue to produce the sound in English. Speak English for at least 5 minutes every day. Now you may think, with whom I will speak? Or what should I speak? Well, my dear friend, you can speak with anyone. If you have friends, neighbor, cousins, your school teacher, your best friend, anyone you can choose and start talking. At the same time, अगर आपके पास कोई नहीं हो, अगर आपके घर पे कोई इंग्लिश बोलने वाला नहीं हो, you can just try speaking to yourself. हाँ जी, it is very important that you speak to yourself at least. And what to speak? Any topic you like. Suppose I want to speak on the weather today. How I will explain? Suppose I'm standing in front of the mirror. I'm talking to myself. Today it's pretty cloudy. The temperature here in Bangalore is around 23 degrees centigrade. The clouds are hovering in the sky. In this weather, I would love to drink green tea and pakoras. Though it is cold in Bangalore, however, across India, the heat waves are on. People are suffering a lot due to the heat. So, in this way, you just think for a while, start talking. Who is judging? No one is judging you. It's all you and yourself. And if possible, record whatever you have spoken. There will be time that you will give long pauses. There will be time when you will not find words. So after you just stop talking, listen to the recording and see where you need to improve. Work on those areas. Also, you can start describing what is all around you. Another great way is read a part of a book and try to explain the same thing in your own words. Here, what you have to do, my dear friend, in this part, identify 5 to 7 common sentence structures used in professional settings. What you have to do in this part? Suppose I choose this phrase, which is called I propose that. Now, I have to know how to use this. I propose that we start our English practice with fun short videos. Or you can also say, I propose that we try speaking English for just 5 minutes every day. In this way, pick up phrases. Another one, in my opinion. Well, you can just search the net. You can check it out what you can speak. Then you can just say, in my opinion, this movie was much better than the first one. Another one, the food at this restaurant was fantastic, in my opinion. So in this way, you need to pick up a phrase, try to learn sentences with that, and keep speaking with those. My dear friends, I will tell you, phrases plays a very big role in improving our English. Yes, idioms also, because good English speaker, native English speakers, they use idioms, phrases a lot. So you should also develop this skill. Remember one thing, vocabulary is the key to our English success. If we have more and more words in your mind, you will be able to speak English in a much better way. So what do we have to do? The best thing is to read. Develop the habit of reading books. Suppose this is a book, Who Will Cry When You Die? A wonderful book, my dear friend. If you want, I'll give the link in the description. Why I'm talking about this book? Because this book gave me a lot of new words, which I'm using it in my daily life. So if you want to improve your English, read a book, part of the book, and if you don't know some word, pick that word up and try to master that word, how to use that word in your daily conversation. Remember, your motto should not be remembering the word. Your motto should be that word should come to your mind automatically whenever you speak. So that will only happen with practice. 14 days is a very small amount of time. We cannot expect to become fluent in English in just 14 days. But yes, it will give us a shape. If we are consistent, if we are very much focused, this 14 days will give us a shape where we can take our English to the next level. This is the most important part of this video, the last part. English isn't just a subject, it's a tool to live your life. I want you to shift your mindset from learning English to living English. What do I mean? Listen carefully. Learning English means you are spending some time to know about that language. Living English means you are spending more and more time with that language. How you can do this? You can read English newspaper, watch English videos with subtitles, try to think in English, make it a part of your life. The more you get involved in some language, the faster you learn that language. My dear friend, always see a speaker who speaks English so fluently, so confidently, how people get attracted to that person. So if you also want to attract others, you have to develop this skill. You have to improve your English. So, are you ready to upgrade yourself? Are you ready to face this challenge of 14 days by practicing continuously? Let me know in the comment. So this is all I have in today's video. See you again, my dear friend. Thank you so much.